No. No. Say you swear to fucking God, bro.
Yo.
Why?
I ain't gonna lie, you clapping like you not my type. I like mine's more low key.
I'm chilling, like I'm by myself, I'm vibing, I didn't expect you to come.
Now I'm just saying like you not my type, like you still here. Like, I'm just letting you know like you not my type. You feel what I'm saying?
And you telling me why? You telling me why? Oh! Nigga, I know you're not getting on the motherfucking phone when I'm trying to fucking talk to you. Don't be disrespectful.
Yo, shout out to Caesar, man.
It's not funny, I'm not laughing.
Yo.
What's up?
I ain't gonna lie, you not my type.
That's chill. You ain't either, but that's chill.
Cap.
We can still talk.
Why do you want to talk to me? You not my type. We got nothing in common. Like, what you want to talk about? This not opposite attract. Like, what you think this is?
Just because we ain't each other's type, don't mean we can't talk.
Y'all know what's going on, and so do I.
Don't mean we don't have stuff in common.
We don't. Like, what's up? Like, you still here. I said you not my type. Like, come on. Like, look.
Then skip me. What's your problem? Why you so mean? Hey, what you mean for? You just gonna ignore me now?
She want me. She want me bad.
That's fucked. You know, like, I'm just drunk and I'm just trying to talk to people and you being mean.
How do I say goodbye?
Yeah, shut up. Shut up. Yo.
Yeah.
Like, y'all friends? I ain't gonna lie, like, y'all both not my type. Like, that's crazy. Usually one person out the friend group would be cool. Nah.
You thought you was our type, nigga? What the fuck? Fucking knee slapper, your ugly ass. Oh! Yo. Take them glasses off in the house, nigga.
Wow, man. Damn.
I need it. Yo.
It all falls down. I'm telling you why. Oh! Why are you looking
How
at
you know this song?
What's that supposed to mean?
Like, you're, you know, on the lighter side. Like, how you know this song?
I'm Puerto Rican, black, and Italian.
Ooh, wait, let me look at you. Nah, you not my type.
Oh, that's cool. My bad. Shit. That's cool though. You know. I ain't for everybody. That's cool. What is your type? You like brown skins?
You said what?
What's your type? You like brown skins?
Nah, I like Puerto Ricans. I like light skins.
Oh shit.
For what I'm saying? You said what?
I like bad bitches.
Oh, you like females too?
Yeah.
You like niggas and females?
Yeah.
So the threesome.
Oh.
Like you had one before?
A bitch?
No, I said threesome.
Oh. No, but I've been trying to get on that.
Like what's the word? Like I set it up.
You live in Brooklyn, baby.
Where you at? Ohio?
Ohio.
I mean, I come out there or I fly you out. Like, it don't matter.
Oh shit. Thought I wasn't your type though.
You got me.
Listen. What you trying to like you think about the past. Let's talk about now. Like, I could set it up.
What changed your mind?
You said what?
It's still mine.
Listen, do you want me set up or no?
Hell yeah.
We did it. We did it!
Gucci in my shoes. Yo,
Hello?
what you doing? Your makeup?
Yeah, nigga.
Let me see.
No, thank you.
You
Hey,
don't gotta do
serious.
that. Nah, you not my
Next.
type. Like,
Okay, and you a bitch.
No offense, my baby, no offense. But you ugly as shit.
this is who I'm matching with. Niggas with a bowl cut. Yo,
Yo.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
Wait, but hold on. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, you not my type.
Okay. I wasn't here to be a type.
You still here?
I wasn't here for you. I was just here in general.
Why you still here? Like, I'm confused.
Because you
Like,
have a skip button. Like,
I'm saying, like, I'm not jacking you, not my type. Like, I'm good. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you still here.
Okay, then skip me. What the hell?
I'm confused.
Me too. Why are you still here? Bye.
Yo, I told you. What's this? Angel Reese? Like, what's this?
Hello?
You wild tall.
Freaking idiot.
Yo. You
Hey.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
You just woke up?
Mm-hmm.
Not my type. I'm cool.
Okay.
Oh!
Why you still here?
Cause the fuck? I ain't worried about you. Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Yo. Nah, y'all not my type.
Okay, we don't gotta be your type. I see what I said.
Y'all still here?
Oh! Yeah! You're not gonna skip? We waiting on you to skip. We can't skip.
Yo.
I'm assuming like everybody's.
Are you whispering?
I'm not whispering.
Nah, you not my type.
Okay. The flip.
Like, it's never no 10s on this app, bro. It's annoying. Yo.
What's up?
Not my type. I'm cool. Yo.
Yeah.
Nah, you not my type.
Oh!
You heard me? So why you still here? I'm confused. You feel what I'm saying? You heard what I said. You said cool. You still here. I don't get it.
Oh!
I'ma look down while I look up. You better not still be here.
Yo, shout the season, man.
Yo.
Yeah.
Nah, you not my type.
Who asked?
You still here? Yo. You doing your makeup?
Yeah.
How's it coming along? Like, it's good?
I keep fucking up this eyebrow, and it's actually gonna piss me off.
Nah, you not my type anyways. Makeup, no makeup, don't matter.
Oh!
Boy, all I did was answer your question.
I don't like questions. Yo, are you doing your makeup?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, you not my type. I can see through it all. With makeup, no makeup, not my type.
I don't even, like, I'm not finna argue. Let me shut the fuck up.
Hold it. You're in danger.
Yo,
Yo.
them glass prescription?
Yeah. I'm actually blind. Like, real blind.
You not my type. I appreciate you for telling me though.
Oh!
It's okay. Oh, well. Actually, I'm sorry. You know what? I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
just
gonna
go.
go.
You not my type.
I feel bad.
I'm over it now.
Yo,
Yo.
nah, you not my type.
Oh!
I never said I wanted to be a
Fuck
type.
wrong with him.
What the hell?
You still here?
Oh!
I don't care that I was never your type. What the hell?
I'm just letting you know.
I'm just letting you know.
No, but I gotta, you feel what I'm saying? I gotta tell you this early on. You feel what I'm saying? You get nothing, you won't think
No,
nothing.
you ain't have to tell
Not
me
my
that.
type,
You could
bro.
have
You
just skipped.
still here?
You
I'm
could have just
confused.
skipped. I'm not confused. I'm not on here to date you. What the fuck? I never was wanting to be your type.
I know what it is. I'm your type. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, I get it. I get it.
But come on, let's just skip. Just go.
I get
Just
it.
'cause
You feel what I'm
it's
saying? I'm sure the fit. I'm vibing like vibing.
She want me. She want me bad.
You jagging me, oh Lord.
Where you from?
All right.